Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this casting. This is not a new one. This is Tomica regular Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Actually the casting is old, but the news is new. So the Tomica regular, now you guys can, if you are in Australia, you guys can purchase them in Big W stores. That's a happy news for all the Australians, I think, Australian diecast collectors. So if you go to your nearest Big W store, you can find all these new Tomica regular versions. There were, by the time I was in store, there were Nissan Leaf, Subaru Forester one, and this one, and few other castings as well. But I already got them as a with the box, and with the box and car, not this card art. So this is pretty much a USA version. So in USA, you guys can buy the box, car, and this plastic bit and the card art as well. But in Japan, or if you are going to buy it from eBay, you will get only this box, just like Matchbox. So anyway, so this is the card art. So this is the first time I'm holding something like this from Tomica regular. So it says Tommy, www.tommy.com website, international USA version. So you can see the USA address, US and Canadian customer care. All the details are here. So there is a small description about Tomica heritage. First launched in 1970, diecast toy vehicle brand, is a household name in Japan across 3 generations. All right, design, all the details, looks pretty cool. Let's open this one, because in real life I own Mitsubishi Outlander, so, and I have this same casting, but this is whole new different packaging system. So I'm gonna open this one and do a custom. I want to change the color as what I own at the moment. So anyways, let's open. That's a big mess. There you go. All right, just do this one. So here's your usual Tomica box, Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV number 70. Less Japanese mumbo jumbo over here, because if you buy it from eBay, you will get all these Japanese details in each of the sides. Anyway, so this is the box, empty. And here's the casting, beautiful one. This is the regular version, Tomica regular version, but not much detail like Tomica Limited Vintage or Tomica Premium, but still you get the opening parts. See, this one has the opening boot, and you get the usual Tomica wheels, the skinny wheels. Beauty. See, this one is perfect details, all the Mitsubishi logo, grille, plastic lights, and rear lights as well. There's no Mitsubishi logo in rear, but you can see the PHEV logo down here. So this one definitely need a wheel swap, wheel change, and maybe signal lights, color change, just like one I own. So yep, that's it, guys. So I'll do a video of the process of customizing this vehicle as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys with another video, and happy Tomica hunting in Big W stores in Australia. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like, share my videos. Catch you later. Bye.